Rolled oats, also called old-fashioned oats. They cook in about 5 minutes. They're great for breakfast, of course, but you can also cook them like risotto for dinner. Hi, I'm Dr. Soden. Have you made the switch to whole grains? It's a smart move because whole grains have all their natural fiber, vitamins, and phytochemicals, the good stuff that's stripped away when grains are refined. Here are 4 whole grains that cook in 15 minutes or less. First up is bulgur. It's made from wheat berries that have been steamed, dried, and crushed. Look for fine or medium grind bulgur, which cooks in just 10 minutes. Next is rolled oats, also called old-fashioned oats. They cook in about 5 minutes. They're great for breakfast, of course, but you can also cook them like risotto for dinner. Then we have whole grain pasta. You probably know whole wheat pasta, but you can also try pasta made with corn and brown rice. Then there's quinoa. This ancient South American grain takes just 15 minutes to cook and makes a great alternative to white rice. Keep these quick-cooking whole grains in your pantry, and you'll be ready to make a healthy dinner on the fly any night. I'm Dr. Soden. Watch all our smart tips for more ways to nourish your family's health.